What's up, guys? So today, as you can see, we're working on a shit box. So welcome back to the channel. And then we're gonna talk about this piece of crap. So we got some wiring issues, some fuse problems and stuff like that are going on that we need to get figured out before we do this front clip thing. We got a bunch of wires and stuff hanging from little marker lights and stuff that used to be in the bumper as well. So we are using this stabilizer today, so let me know how it comes out. And we're recording in 4K. So we got the shitbox VR6, baby. Alright, so the problems we're having. This blinker does not work. Or maybe this one works, but the back one doesn't. Flashes real fast. As you can see with the headlight problems, this one is not sitting the same as the other one at all. So we need to figure that out. This tail light over here. Oh my god. What are we doing? We locking in? Oh, that's weird. Literally just have it like locked for some reason. Alright, cool. We'll just do it like that. This tail light does not work, but it's just the running light. So the reverse light works, the blinker works, the brake light works, but the running light does not come on. I don't know. We're gonna do some looking around here, try to get it figured out. We're also gonna replace probably these stickers today, because this is the only vinyl for our stickers that I've only had issues with, because it somehow just sucks. Because I mean, you can see everything else I've stuck on here from other companies is pretty good. And we got, I mean, the blue, and it's wet, it's dusty, and nothing happened. Boom. Even these orange ones. Wow, that's so strange how it's just like locked in. Oh, that's cool. Now learn something new. Just gotta move a little bit slower, I guess. There we go. These are also, maybe it might have a little bubble, so we're figuring out the vinyl stuff that works and what doesn't. Anyways, we're gonna figure out this light real quick and figure out which ones work and which ones don't. So, try to pull some fuses, try to pull some, what do you call it? Pull some fuses, grab that vinyl off the back with that big sticker. I already got some new ones. You guys are gonna love the color. So, we're gonna get these bulbs out of here and check them all out and see what the actual problem is. So when we figure it out, we'll see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, as you guys can see, we got the car started. And we have all of our bulbs. We had to take out the little cover back here, the hatch cover. The seats got folded back. We had to move this giant ass sub box. So we have a light on over here, which is this middle bulb, which for some reason is not working over here. So we're gonna throw some blinkers on and all that shit and see what we get. Sorry, I'm gonna have to keep kind of walking around to get to these switches because I don't have anybody else to film for me. Alrighty, so left blinker. Woo, that jumps around pretty hardcore. Alright, so that blinker works. And we're just gonna pull bulbs that are blown. Oh, you can hear it. That one ain't working. Okay, so that one does work, but the front one does not, I believe. Let's check. Nope. Alright. Oh, that sucks because I can't really check the reverse lights without someone back here recording. Well, let's see how we're gonna do this. The benefits of having someone else with you to record is you don't have to worry about some way to figure this out. But that running light's definitely out. Whoop. As you guys can see. And it would seem, let's try the bulbs. Let's switch them. Well, that seems to be the problem. There's something else going on. And let's see if this bulb's good. Alright. That bulb's good. Oh man. Well, the bulb is good. So the problem is somewhere else. I believe both reverse lights work. But I don't know if it's maybe because this bulb is bad. What are these? I don't know. I think we need to just go to LED bulbs all the way around, so that way we don't have this problem. I mean, this guy's definitely gone. Yeah, that's pretty fried. But we will see you guys back in a second. So, I'm a little bit stupid, a little slow sometimes. So I figured out if I just turn the car off, put it in reverse, the lights will come on with the key on. And then we blew the ingenuity with a cane I have that I use for a hood prop and stuff most of the time. So we got the brakes locked up too. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh my god. There we go. Whoop. We got the little cane there hitting that. She's in reverse. And so again, we still have everything working except this. So it could be a fuse. And so we'll check that and figure it out. I think my phone just told me it reached max file size. So I don't know what it's doing. It may have just started another file. I don't know. We'll figure that out. So that one works over there. This one doesn't. Could be a fuse maybe. Could be that little circuit board. Might have to get another one. I don't know. And then we're going to check the ignition relay as well. So, wish me luck. And we'll see you guys in a second. The culprit. A little 5-amp fuse. We got plenty of those in the old toolbox here. There's garbage. Gonna throw a couple extra in the car. I use mostly these little 5-amp fuses, so keep this in a bag at all times. A whole bunch of them in a puller and a continuity checker. So we're gonna throw that in there. Then we're gonna check that bulb in the front and probably pull this ignition relay. Whoop. More fuses. Bam. And we don't even have to check anything else really. I think one of them is the headlights over here. Nope, that's good. We just gotta grab that top one out. Ow. God dang, dude. Well, headlights are good though. Anything else we gotta check? And the ignition relay box is like up in here somewhere. I don't know if y'all can even see that, but it's up there, right there. You can see them little blocks right there. Whoop. All right, so we got that. Figured out. Oh shit! What's this thing even doing? Got that figured out. Sorry if I'm like cutting my head off and stuff. Wow. So I'm gonna check out this little blinker in the front. See if she needs a replacement. We might have to go get some bulbs. But anyway, the reason I'm doing this is because I got pulled over last night. Figures. Right out here down the road from my house. About a mile away. And yeah, I'm sick of trying to avoid tickets. So without further ado, we will see you in a second. Alright guys. So we did a little bit of looking around here. In this other headlight right here we got new, well, used new, just to try to figure out the adjustment. This one's a little bit busted up. It's unglued from it, so wasn't a huge amount of help other than the fact that I got free clips. I mean, we picked up this whole lot, soon to come too, of parts for $100. So let me adjust a little bit here. Boom. So we've been working on adjusting using this little hex right here on these two little hex screws right there. And because this headlight, points like up and to the left, so hopefully I just did a bunch of adjustment on it and see if I can't get it to point more like that way, I guess. And then this one over here, I just fiddled around with. It needs to come up a little bit, so it's out a little farther. Well, obviously we can't really test that till tonight. We'll move the canyon out of the way here, and we'll get kind of in front of the garage door here, and we will try to adjust them a little bit better. It's gonna be cold as shit. But we got all these little clips, and as you can see, this headlight's missing them on the top. There's one missing over here. So we're gonna replace those and hopefully get these headlights to where they need to be. But yeah, should look pretty good. Alright, well, y'all saw what I was doing with the fuses before. At this point, I'm in it a lot more than a couple fuses. So we're gonna make a part 2 to this video. It's usually what happens, right? You start a project, you end up like, man, I could probably fix that better. I could probably do it better. So we decided to take the whole headlight out because something was messed up. We ended up realizing that the actual headlight right here, whoop, see a nice little split right here? I don't know if y'all can see that. Bam, right there. The whole housing is freaking broken. Now you can see it better there. Big old split right there. So we got a bunch of headlights apart. We're gonna have to seal one back up. Yeah, we're in it for a little more. Whoop. There we go. Yeah, we're in it for a little more than a couple fuses. So we're gonna make a second part of this video, and it'll be posted right after this video. So go ahead and check that out when you're when you're done. Oh my god. When you're done checking that out. Dang, this thing is all over the fucking place. Alright, yeah. So check that video out when you get done with this one. Sorry, I'm kind of bumbling all over the place at the end of the video here. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all come check out more stuff with the Golf. And hopefully we'll be able to get these headlights done today. I'm taking one out of the insides out of one and putting it in the other one so I can fix it. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Go check out the second video to find out.